You've been closing apps on the iPhone the same way for ages, just press the home button. Same thing with force quitting apps, you simply double tap the home button, then swipe up on the app you wanted to close. Not anymore. Because the iPhone X doesn't feature a home button, there's a new way to both close apps and force quit apps. Just follow these steps. How to close an app on iPhone X. It's simple, put your finger toward the bottom of the display and swipe up. The app will close and you'll return to the home screen. How to force quit apps on the iPhone X, you can do it with the following steps. 1. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold your finger on the display for about a half second. You'll see the app switcher appear with your apps laid out like a deck of cards stacked from left to right. 2. Long press on the screen. You should see a minus sign appear in the top left corner of all of the apps in the app switcher menu. 3. Swipe up on the app you want to force quit or tap on the minus icon. And now your apps has closed. By Emhape Tech.